In the ever-evolving realm of smartphones, Samsung continues to raise the standard with its Galaxy A series. The Samsung Galaxy A35, the newest addition to this lineup, is an affordable marvel that seamlessly merges power and style. In this extensive review, we'll delve into the key features that make the Samsung Galaxy A35 a standout option in its price bracket. Design. The Galaxy A35 resembles its elder sibling, the Galaxy A55, flaunting a flat-frame design and an elevated button section that Samsung calls the Key Island design. In contrast to the metallic frame on its prettier counterpart, the frame on the Galaxy A35 is constructed of plastic. However, there is a metallic finish to maintain a premium appearance. The Galaxy A35 features glossy glass on the back cover, which tends to attract fingerprints and requires regular cleaning. However, the awesome lilac color variant, Review Unit, does a commendable job of concealing marks and smudges. Moving to the front, the flat display sits flush with the frame, contributing to a sleek appearance. However, the presence of sizable display bezels on all sides somewhat detracts from its overall premium aesthetic. Weighing 209 g, the smartphone feels slightly hefty, but the weight distribution is on point. Despite fine ergonomics, the phone may take some time to get accustomed to since it has sharp edges. Nonetheless, the smartphone boasts Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection on the display and an IP67 rating for resistance against water splashes and dust. Display and audio. The Galaxy A35 boasts a 6.6-inch Super AMOLED display, presenting vibrant visuals complemented by its 120 Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth transitions and animations. While the display remains readable in bright outdoor conditions, it tends to display noticeable reflections in well-lit environments when viewed from various angles. Samsung upholds its commitment to premium quality with the display, enabling visuals with excellent contrast levels and vivid colors. Although the display supports HDR10+ for streaming high dynamic content from platforms such as YouTube, Amazon Prime Video, Netflix, etc., the absence of Dolby Vision places it slightly behind its Chinese competition. In terms of audio, the Samsung Galaxy A35 features a stereo speaker system that produces crisp and clear sound. While the speakers may lack depth, they deliver impressive loudness. Camera. The Galaxy A35 features a triple camera setup on the rear, including a 50-megapixel primary sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide angle sensor, and a 5MP macro camera. Photos taken with the primary sensor exhibit vivid colors and brightness, maintaining accuracy even in low-light conditions. The main camera shows a decent dynamic range, particularly noticeable when capturing intricate details such as ripples on the surface of water or clouds. However, the additional cameras struggle to deliver such fine details. Speaking of additional cameras, photos from the ultra-wide-angle sensor appear a bit soft. This could be attributed to software optimization aimed at improving camera performance. Nonetheless, the ultra-wide-angle camera maintains vibrancy and is suitable for capturing landscapes and cityscapes. The 13MP front-facing camera produces respectable selfies in well-lit settings, capturing bright images with adequate facial detail. However, in low-light conditions, the smartphone faces challenges with color saturation and lacks sharpness in resulting images. Performance and software. Fueled by its Exynos 1380 system on chip, the Galaxy A35 handles day-to-day tasks admirably. Activities like launching apps and browsing through social media pose no issues for the device. However, when pushed with demanding tasks or multitasking, the smartphone encounters some hurdles. While it doesn't lag when handling multiple tasks simultaneously, extended use under such conditions can lead to overheating, resulting in occasional stuttering. The smartphone can run graphics-intensive games like Genshin Impact on medium to high settings. However, users need to adjust graphic settings periodically, as the device tends to heat up during prolonged gaming sessions, causing frequent frame drops. The software experience on the Galaxy A35 is a mixed bag. Running on the One UI 6.1, the interface is user-friendly and incorporates features such as knock security, enhancing overall usability. Nevertheless, the Android 14-based UI comes with pre-installed bloatware, creating a cluttered experience. Moreover, these additional apps inundate users with notifications and advertisements, detracting from the overall user experience. Battery. The Samsung Galaxy A35 is equipped with a sturdy 5,000 mAh battery, supported by 25W wired charging. The smartphone lasts a day of mixed usage, including casual gaming, occasional photography sessions, social media usage, and web browsing. Even when subjected to demanding tasks, such as video recording and intensive gaming, the battery life remains relatively consistent, despite the smartphone's tendency to heat up. However, Samsung could have opted for a more efficient charging solution for the device, as the 25W wired charging takes approximately an hour and a half to reach full capacity from 5%. It's important to note that the Galaxy A35 does not come with a charging adapter, but only the USB-C charging cable. Verdict: with premium aesthetics and feel, the Galaxy A35 could be an option for individuals who value design. Beyond its attractive appearance, the smartphone offers a good display, a decent imaging system, and lasting battery life. However, it may not be the top choice for those seeking high performance.